Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of fondant for cake with just 3 ingredients. Take 283 grams or 10 ounces of marshmallows in a bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of water. Keep it in the microwave oven for 30 seconds. Other option is to double boil it, that's by boiling water in the lower part and keeping the marshmallows bowl on top of it so that it melts gradually by stirring. It's out from the microwave oven now. After 30 seconds, mix it well. As you see it, it's melting and looks sticky. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Now it has melted more. Mix it well. Microwave it again for 30 more seconds. Now it has completely melted. Mix it well so there are no more chunks of unmelted marshmallows left behind. Add in the first cup of powdered sugar. In total, we are going to add 4 cups of powdered sugar. Mix it well so that the powdered sugar blends nicely with the melted marshmallows. It's thickening now. Let's add in the second cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Now it's with the glue consistency. Add in the third cup of powdered sugar and mix it well. It looks so gooey now. Add in the fourth and the final cup of sugar. Mix it well. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on the countertop. Put the dough. Knead it for 2 minutes until it's not sticky anymore. Fondant is ready now. The dough is firm enough so that we can roll it, cover it over the cake or make it into different shapes. I'm going to show how to make colored fondant. Cut a small portion. Cut into half and make it into balls. Press on the center of the dough. Let's add in the edible food colors. I'm using the gel color, pink and purple. Press and knead the dough and the color together. The color slowly incorporates with the fondant. It's going to be like a clay or a play-doh with which the kids play. Sprinkle some powdered sugar so that it doesn't stick with your hands. The pink colored fondant is ready now. The same way you can do with the purple color. You can make different colored fondants with all the edible colors available. You can make your own color by mixing different edible colors. You can store the fondant in the room temperature for 1 month and in the fridge for 3 months. Cover it with a cling wrap and store it. Here are some animals and shapes which I made with the fondant for my son's 2nd birthday and 3rd birthday. Try the fondant and give your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.